taking a little field trip. Today we're going to our local cylinder head shop. You guys might have heard of them, Airflow Research Cylinder Heads. It's a small family-owned facility. They've been around for a long time. They're at the cutting edge with the CNC cylinder head program. We're going to be testing some of their new product line on our 363 dyno mule. So can't wait to see what the guys at AFR have in store for us. So let's go. We're here with the guys from AFR. They're going to show us a quick tour around the shop while we get our heads ready to load up. So Tim, Alex, hey. All right, let's see what's up.
One of the first operations that we do when we manufacture our cylinder heads is they go on the horizontal. Basically, we have 5 pairs of heads that get loaded on each one of these tombstones in the rack system. In the rack, we can fit up to 32 pallets.
Wow.
And as you guys know, every one of our heads has a barcode on it. As you can see right here.
Yeah, they're all serial numbered, barcoded, so you know exactly where they're at every point in time.
But as far as assembly, boxing, and getting out, we typically average about low 30s per day.
Wow. 30 sets of heads, that's 60 pieces. That's
shipping
amazing.
out. Yeah.
Shipping out, yeah.
You'll see once they come off the Mazaks and Moris and they're waiting for the Haas machines, you can see deck's been machined, holes are drilled, but no port work on the chamber, nothing inside the intake and the exhaust runners.
Yeah. Now in between the Mazak and in between the horizontals, you guys obviously have to put the seats and guides in, right?
Correct. In between each station, every operator is tasked with some level of quality control. Deburring, inspection, any marring on the machine surfaces. And if they find something that doesn't pass our specification, it gets kicked back to the previous station. When it comes to notifications, you have to have an audible and a visual notification. And we have different music from Disney songs to Christmas songs, you name it.
Mobbing in the Bentley, smoking moon. Hey, rock.
That lets us know if something's wrong, everything's working okay, the machine is done. We also have red and green lights on the top of machines. Is it good? Is it bad?
Is that the ice cream truck is here? It's time for ice cream, everybody. Let's go.
What we've decided to do is start to create bundle packages that are dyno proven. And so it's not that we're not going to build custom stuff, because obviously there's a lot of customization available, but we know what the good parts are. And so by kind of narrowing down the selection, you know, it takes away a lot of the time in terms of even the sale process, because we know what works. And so we don't need to leave it up to the people. We're like the doctors, you know, so we get to prescribe the horsepower based on what their needs are. Right? You don't go to the doctor's office and tell them what surgery you want. I mean, I would, but you know,
Yeah, I think those are called elective surgeries.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's doctors for that.
Basically what we do here in the Econ department is we shape the seats. The seats are where the valve sits on. So we wanted to create like a good seal, so we want to have a nice smooth finish. If you want to look at these are not done. But over here, these are done. So it's a lot smoother. The seat will sit on there nice and flush. And get a good seal. Hell yeah.
Oh, there's the vending machine right there.
Yeah, this is the vending machine. Basically, all our tools are loaded into, and you have to log in and log out anytime you want to use a tool. That'll track the day, time, and operator. That way, if someone else comes up looking for the exact same tool and it's not in its bin, it'll notify them, hey, go talk to so-and-so.
Hey Ricky, where'd you leave that tool?
And if Ricky says, hey, it wasn't me, the computer knows.
It was you,
Well,
Ricky.
we'll take new castings and we'll chop the tops off of them so we can check wall thicknesses throughout the entire casting, water jacket to the ports, locations. We can even look at the quality of the port work that's getting done.
So this was a nice set of $1,500 heads that we had to slice up like pie over here to ensure that you guys are getting the best product from AFR. It's looking real good, real consistent. Water jackets, that's what you look for. You don't want core shift in the casting, and that helps you keep your quality control up and amazing.
This is where we go ahead and check fitment. This here is a 3D printed mock-up of our LS3 cylinder head that released about 3-4 years ago. Once again, chop the top, checking the integrity, verifying it against CAD. We did bread slices as well. You know, these are sturdy enough that they can be bolted to a cylinder head.
Yeah.
You know, you can check piston to valve, we can check different things.
Everything.
PLA, what is this?
This is an SLS.
Here's those murdered out LS heads for marine, or just in case you just want it murdered out, anodized. It's looking real nice.
Yep. And under extreme pressure, it becomes a diamond. And so it's an investment in your family's future.
This is actually one of 2 flow benches. This is our SF600, and then right here we have the new SF1020 that came out a couple years ago. We'll actually do spot checks on production runs in addition to flow testing on new cylinder heads that are in development.
We're very excited to have you know, you guys as a partner here on cylinder head, you know, and intake manifold. So, well, let's get that pallet loaded up, shall we? Okay. All right. Well, I'm heading back from AFR right now. So Tim says what's up, and then
What's up, man? Just checking in. Want to see how everyone's getting ready for FD. Yeah, I heard a lot of big things are going to happen.
Hey man, take us for a ride in the Edelbrock helicopter, please.
well, we're gonna head out before it gets any windier or later. So, all right, Jeff. Good talking to you. I'll talk to you on the Pistons when I get back to the shop. All right, Jeff. See ya.